Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to IRS Direct Pay for tax payments step by step clearly. Navigate to the official IRS website at www.irs.gov. Locate the search bar, usually found at the top of the page. Type Direct Pay into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, click on the link that leads to the IRS Direct Pay page. On the Direct Pay page, read the information provided about the service. Scroll down to find the Make a Payment button and click on it. You will be redirected to the Payment Options page. Select Pay your tax bill or the appropriate payment option based on your needs. You will need to enter your personal information to verify your identity. Input your first name, last name, and social security number. Next, provide your email address for confirmation purposes. After filling in your information, review it for accuracy. Click the Continue button to proceed with the enrollment. You will then choose the type of payment you wish to make, such as individual income tax or estimated payments. Select the appropriate payment date for your convenience. Once you have chosen the payment options, you will need to enter your banking details. Provide your bank account number and the routing number. Make sure to double-check all the entered information for accuracy. After confirming your details, proceed by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation of your payment, which you should save for your records. Finally, check your email for a confirmation message from the IRS regarding your subscription to Direct Pay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.